Now, here's Chief Meteorologist Tony Petrarca with your Pinpoint Weather 12 forecast.
Well, in some cases, the visibility only a couple of 100 feet in places like the South Shore in Newport. Take a look in this particular picture. You can normally, see the Newport Pell Bridge off in the distance, completely socked in. And when it's not raining, it's a mist and it's a drizzle. The atmosphere very heavy in terms of the amount of moisture in the air, very high humidity, and the visibility really statewide, not just along the coastline, but even northern suburbs like Smithfield, or the thickest fog is along the coast, and that's where we have the dense fog advisory until 6 o'clock in the morning. Temperature's been holding at 67 now for about 4 or 5 hours, so temperature's really not budging and will stay in the 60s all night long. So that high humidity promoting a number of things: the low clouds, the fog, some additional passing showers overnight tonight through tomorrow morning and even early tomorrow afternoon. And of course, that dense fog continues. But by Friday evening and Friday night, it is clearing out. The humidity is going down, and this sets up for a pretty decent weekend with warmer temperatures and even warm weather anticipated for early next week. And why not? Summer solstice arrives tomorrow officially. The official start of summer at 11:54 tomorrow morning. Now, it's not pool weather tomorrow. It'll take until probably the end of the day for the sun to come out, but definite pool and beach weather coming back Saturday, Sunday, and even into early next week. Low clouds overhead right now. Not a lot of precipitation in terms of amounts, but the air is wet. But there's additional showers off to our west. We're tracking this system, which will move north and east. So until it moves off the coastline later tomorrow afternoon, the chance for scattered showers and some embedded downpours. Now, behind that, the air dries out nicely. This drier air headed our way by late afternoon and early evening. We'll not be surprised to see a little bit of sunshine, but not until probably 6 or 7 o'clock in the evening. But your Friday night is looking pretty good. In fact, let me walk you through it hour by hour. Starting off this evening, of course, the gray represents the clouds and the fog. You see the blips of green and red coming through with occasional showers overnight. This is 7 o'clock in the morning, damp and foggy. And then during the afternoon, the visibility does improve in the afternoon, but we still have some passing showers all the way up until about 5 o'clock in the afternoon. But notice by 5 o'clock, our northwestern suburbs are starting to clear out. So between roughly 5 and 8 o'clock in the evening, it's clearing with some sunshine developing before it sets, and that'll bring in some clear, dry, comfortable weather for your Friday night. But kind of murky tomorrow morning with fog and some showers, scattered. Temperature at the 68 degrees. Early to mid-afternoon, still a chance for scattered showers. There's your clearing, but again, not until late afternoon and early evening. And there is your nice weekend, Saturday and Sunday. The only downside with Saturday, it's a windy day, but at least it's bright, warm, and dry, upper 70s, and nice on Sunday as well. And pretty warm early next week with temperatures that'll be in the 80s. Travel tonight, obviously, through early tomorrow morning. Be careful. Some of that fog, especially near the coast, is pretty thick.
Just doesn't feel like the end of June, you know what I mean?
It's kind of cool today. I mean, the high temp is only upper 60s.
You'll appreciate it once we're in the thick of summer.
It's the thick of summer. I'll take that 90-degree weather anytime.